Hello, everybody. This is Carlos,
This is Alex.
and we wanted to talk to you a little bit about the learning chart and the letter of intent, and we wanted to do it through a little video that we wanted to create for you. So we're going to take off from our beautiful faces and mug shots, and we're going to look at a chart that was turned in by a student in a morning class. Her name's Ashley. This is Ashley's chart that she put together. And we picked this chart because it's actually works really well. And the first part of Ashley's chart focuses on who she is. And so the question that she has is, who am I? As you can see right here. And then she describes how she's going to learn this by saying she is going to reflect in my writer's notebook who I think I am as of right now. List things about what I admire about myself, along with those I wish to change.
And if you notice, if you keep looking down from A, B, and C, she's asking very specific questions that she wants to explore in her writing. She's saying where she wants to do this writing in her notebook. And she's also even pointing out, it's a nice little touch that she made, the elements that she feels that she's touching on in each of those sections there.
She has also some really good due dates. If you notice, she spaces them out more or less on a weekly basis, and she finishes this section of Who Am I at the end here, October the 4th, and with this section she's going to be doing a formal essay. So she's really tied in this idea of exploring, self-exploration, and coming back together to the writing. And she has a combination of writer's notebook assignments along with the formal essay that she's going to be turning in on October the 4th.
And if you notice, she's doing meaningful work from week to week. There are no gaps. She's going to be able to come to class every day between now and October 4th and have something specific to work on. She has a really nice schedule set up for herself.
She continues, then her next major goal is how to strengthen communication skills. She does the same thing in this column and basically describes what she wants to learn, and she includes the elements. And again, she does a really great job in terms of the due dates, and which culminate in an essay. So it's essay number 2, which is spaced out about a little bit less than a month from essay number 1. Now I wanted to say something about these essays. One thing that we will ask you to do is to make sure that before you turn in your essay, you will need to have gone to the Writing Center at least once. And the Writing Center is in Building 2, and we just wanted to give you a heads up that you might want to incorporate that in one of the boxes over here in terms of how you're going to learn the things that you're saying you're going to learn. So we have a lot of resources.
Yeah, and another thing she could do here if she wanted would be to find her own resources online and do some practice on grammar and some other issues there if she wanted to, but she would not have to do that unless it's something she felt would be helpful.
Her goal number 3 has to do with her career, which I think is an excellent sort of use of time in terms of the semester and exploring what she wants to do, and she follows the same pattern, and she ends up with essay number 3 November the 29th, which is very good. She includes also a civic engagement component, and those dates are to be announced. The one thing that we suggested for Ashley was that she include some of the readings from the book that she would like to include, and that was basically it. So this is one really excellent chart that you might want to follow in terms of the pattern. I'm going to scroll up again just so that you can see how she has 3 major goals, and she breaks it down. She includes the elements, and then she has dates basically on a weekly basis.
Yeah, and take a look as you look at the chart. The how will I know that I learned part. There's some good ideas there too. Some interesting, creative things she wants to do.
That's it for now, and we are saying goodbye from somewhere in Kendall, an undisclosed location.
And we hope you're having an awesome long weekend, and we look forward to seeing you again next week, I guess.
Yep.